My dear brothers and sisters, I'm immensely happy to know that Divine Mercy, Konkani Kristi Sabha, is completing 10 years of its existence and its service. These 10 years were filled with a lot of liturgical activities in Konkani, gatherings, building up faith, and also reaching out to many people who are in need. We are happy that God has blessed us with this beautiful Church of Divine Mercy. The community and the Konkani Kristi Sabha has always been part of this community, part of this beautiful parish of Divine Mercy. Moja mogacha pritichanu. Divine Mercy फिरगोजेन मुझे कार्य मुझी सेवा चोड मोगाची असली एक केतनाच विसरचोना. जायती मोगान आनी खालते कायन ही कोंकणी सभा म्हजे बरोबर वावुरल्या आनी म्हाका जायतो आदर दिला. हांव ह्या सभेचे उपकार केन्नाच विसरूचो ना आनी हांव तुमकां भाग्यवंत गोंयचो साहेब फ्रांसीस झेवियर ही पोरवी बोरी खुशाल कापेन आवडटा. तुमकां सगळ्याक चोड आनी चोड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.